Let us understand how to multiply binomials using algebra tiles. This time we have product of two binomials which are x minus 2 times x minus 3. So let's define a rectangle first. So let us say that the width of the rectangle is equals to x minus 2 and the length of the rectangle is x minus 3. Then we'll draw the mat, the product mat. Let us say this is our product mat. On the product mat, let us mark width and length with the help of our algebra tiles. Width is x minus 2. So that is my x marking, and then 2 markings for minus 2. So this is ones and then ones, right? So we'll write down here the numbers x minus 1 and minus 1. Now for minus, we are going to use red color. Let us mark the length side now. Length is x minus 3. So we get x minus 3, so 3 units. 1, 2, and 3. So we have the length with x minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. So 3, right? Now, if you multiply x with x, you get x squared. Now this is positive x squared, so I'm shading it with blue color. So that gives me 1x squared, correct? Now if you multiply x with minus 1, you get 1 minus x tile. Now minus x, we are using red color. So that is our minus x tile. So we have 3 minus x's here. So this is the second one. And then the third. Then again, we have x times minus 1. So that is also minus x. So for minus x, let me shade this with red minus x tile. And here is another red minus x tile. So these are the red minus x tiles. Now we have minus 1 times minus 1, which is positive 1, right? So for positive, we are using yellow color. So we have positive ones, and here we have 6 of these, 3 times 2. Let me shade 6 of them ones. So these are our ones. Now the next step is to rearrange them. So if we rearrange, what do we get? We get 1x squared tile, and we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 5 minus x tiles. And we get 6 ones. Right? So that gives us the product of two binomials, that is x minus 2 times x minus 3 is equal to x squared. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 5x, since these are minus x tiles, right? And these are plus 1s. Minus 5x plus 6, since they are 6 plus 1 tiles. So that is how we can get product of binomial. So the steps involved are, first, define your rectangle. So first step is define rectangle. That means giving dimensions, width and length. The second step is mark algebra tiles. Third is to place the algebra tiles. And fourth is rearrange and count. Now in rearrange, sometimes if you have positive and negative tiles, they cancel out, right? And then you write down your products, so you get product. So these are the steps to be followed to get or to multiply binomials using algebra tile. I hope the steps are absolutely clear. Thank you and all the best.